I want to share with you today an exciting journey. We follow Paul in the Italic Peninsula, but we do much more. We actually unlayer the ancient Roman world to help our students and our travelers understand the background of the 11 emperors of the New Testament period. Why study Paul in Italy? Why are we here to study Paul when he traveled 10,000 land miles? My feet have been everywhere he went. Paul wasn't writing to us. He was writing to people in his time. So we've got to do a little bit of putting on the skin of a biblical person. Think like a first century Christian. When Jesus came into their life, what changed? And how difficult was the presentation of Jesus in their culture? The reason we chose the area from Rome to the Bay of Naples is the best restored Roman finds in the world are in this journey.